Hi guys! For today's pearl pour, I'm starting by layering my colourful paints into a little cup. I added violet first because I want that to pour out last, and on top of that I've got light violet. This is magenta, and this is light magenta. With that ready, I'm pouring my white pearl paint mixture onto a portion of the canvas. I don't want the white pearl paint to pop up everywhere, which is why I'm only pouring it onto a section of the canvas. There is quite a lot that goes into the paint mixtures for this technique, so I'll list all the products and ratios in the description box. If this technique is new to you, then you'll definitely benefit from watching my video number 110, where I share tips and tricks for getting better results sooner, basically sharing what I wish I knew before getting started with this technique. I'll link that video in the description box too. I try to stretch a lot of the paint off the canvas to really help those pearls to form. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this painting. I'm partially just happy that it worked and pearls actually formed. I like the contrast between the white and then the pearls and then the colors. I think that looks pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you next time.